Oh, that's where it hit. Okay, so Heather had been flying a Mavic Mini that I bought for myself.
So much more better.
Yeah, Mavic Mini.
I think that's the worst one I ever had.
Hey guys, this is the small drone we got as a gift for my son, and we are gonna do a review and show you how it works. So the name of the drone is called the Sky Viper, and this came as a gift, but I don't know, I was checking some prices between like $30, and now what it came with the drone itself, and so the drone came with the blades, two green ones and two black ones, pretty good looking. And here is where you're gonna put the battery, and that I will show you how to do that. So here is the battery part. This is the battery, and the time it shows like 20 minutes, I believe that's the flying time. 15 to 20 minutes. It's a 3.7 volt 350 mAh battery, so small battery. And then this is a charger. So once you plug in the outlet, what's going to happen, it's going to show you red light here if it is still in charging, and once it's fully charged, it's going to show you a green light here. Okay, it came so with some of the extra protection, so let's get those guys out. And here, that's protection we can put around the blades. So how it's gonna go here. Okay, so this comes with the extra protection here. What you're gonna do, you're gonna hold it, and then from here you're gonna push them in. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna install the battery. How we are gonna do that, how it's gonna go in. So I'm gonna go ahead and put anyways, and actually I should put on this side, so the wire on right next to the where you're gonna plug in. This is a little hard first time when you're doing it. Okay, so once you do that, the drone is going to start lighting. So you see the red and green light, so it means that your drone is ready, and we are going to place the drone here. What else we got? We got the controller, and it is a normal, like a game controller, up and down, and you have launch and land, and here you have normal and supports mode, and this is the button to turn on. There is extra set of blades, so you have, in case you lost the first set of them, you can change them. There are some extra screws, they came with it, so it's all good. And there is this is a small screwdriver came, and what you have to do, you have to open this back of your controller and install the batteries. So the batteries did not come with it, so you can see that it's double AAA batteries, and they did not come with, so I just installed from by myself. I had some of them sitting at home. I'm gonna close it quickly. And now, how you're gonna start your drone? I'm gonna let my son turn it on and then fly. Okay, so okay, this was his gift. His name is Heather. So Heather, go ahead and fly. So what you're gonna do first?
You gotta hold this button.
Okay, so it's connecting.
And this to go up and down.
To the down. Go. Okay, we did not install the protection right, so a couple of them fell down right away. So okay.
Oh my God!
Is it easy for you?
No, it's going the way the wind is.
Okay, so there is no wind. Okay, can you fly on this side so I can see? Can you fly on this side? Like not right here? Yeah, on this side, yeah. Bring close. Yeah, here.
So I'm gonna turn it to you. Oh, up!
Yeah, here.
Oh, right here.
Yeah. Okay, so you can do some stunts. Do it now. Do it now. So you can do some stunts. Okay, pretty good. So he's landing the first time this drone. Okay, let's land it.
Dad, can you walk away?
No, land it down.
Land.
Yeah. Slowly, slowly, slowly.
I'm not. I just took the land button.
Okay, so he clicked the land button, and if you see guys, the installation of these protections were not right. And now this time we are gonna let Raza fly. Go ahead, Raz.
Okay.
Okay, so he's gonna go ahead and away from the house
Yeah.
and bring it close.
I'm gonna bring it close.
Yeah.
And then go this.
Yeah. Okay. How about this one? Yeah. This is good.
So, guys, watch this.
So how far up it can go?
I don't know.
Let's try.
Oh, whoa.
So it went pretty much like I will say 40 feet up. That's all it can go.
Oh.
Okay,
Oh, no.
Okay, Raza, bring on this side.
It's so hard to control.
Okay, so this is one of the problem we are seeing. It's not too windy here, but drones moves with the air, even with little bitty air or by itself. If you do, what happen?
Click land.
Land. If you click land, what happen? Just click land.
Okay.
Does it come itself?
Yeah. Oh, what's up?
It's too fast, and this is not enough space here.
Okay, it's on normal.
Okay, so this is on normal, and you can see how high it can go, Heather. Your try. Let's see. Yeah, pretty high.
Yep.
Okay, so we are landing.
Where'd it go?
Once your battery is down, it's even not like we just did probably like,
Long game.
I believe like we just flew it for maybe 5 minutes and then the battery is down. Oh, that's where it hit. Okay, so Heather had been flying a Mavic Mini that I bought for myself.
So much more better.
Yeah, Mavic Mini.
I think that's the worst that one I ever had.
Even I have left the controller here. You guys can see the controllers there, but the drone does move, so it's not like it's gonna be stable. So you guys can see that it does move. Okay, so the total with the review and all the video I made, barely 5 minute time, but on the actual timing it says more than 15 to 20 minutes, but that's not right. So with this is the second time I'm using this one with the battery. So here I'm trying to find I had this one like on somewhere, like how long it can fly, but barely it will fly for 5 minutes. So then you have to recharge, and it take around 30 minutes to charge that. So yeah, and then yep, so yeah, it's all right, you know, for just for kids, you know, when they're learning the first time, and you charge it, but it's nowhere comparable to the some nice drones. It's just battery time could be better, but rest of that could be okay. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.